Once upon a time, in a quiet coastal town, there lived a young woman named Sophia. She was 24 years old, with warm brown eyes and chestnut hair that shimmered in the sunlight. Sophia lived with her elderly grandmother in a small cottage by the sea. Her parents had passed away when she was young, and her grandmother had raised her with love and care. Though their life was simple, Sophia found joy in painting and spending her days by the ocean, where she felt most at peace. One summer evening, as the sun dipped below the horizon, Sophia was sketching the waves when she noticed a young man walking along the shore. His name was Lucas, a traveler who had come to the town to find inspiration for his music. Lucas was tall, with tousled dark hair and a gentle demeanor. He carried a guitar slung over his shoulder and seemed lost in thought. Intrigued, Sophia approached him, and they struck up a conversation. Lucas explained that he was a musician, wandering from place to place in search of stories and melodies. Sophia, in turn, shared her love for art and the sea. They quickly discovered a shared passion for creativity and a deep appreciation for the beauty of the world. Over the following weeks, they spent countless hours together, Sophia painting while Lucas played his guitar, their talents blending harmoniously. As the days turned into months, Sophia and Lucas grew closer. They explored the town, shared their dreams, and confided in each other. Lucas told Sophia about his nomadic life and his fear of never finding a place to call home. Sophia, in turn, spoke of her longing to see the world beyond the town, but her reluctance to leave her grandmother. Despite their differences, they found solace in each other's company. One evening, as they sat by the shore watching the stars, Lucas turned to Sophia and said, "Sophia, I've never met anyone like you. You've made me feel like I belong somewhere for the first time in my life. I love you." Sophia's heart swelled with emotion. "I love you too, Lucas," she replied. They embraced, dreaming of a future together. However, their happiness was short-lived. Lucas received a letter from his family, urging him to return home. His father had fallen ill, and they needed him to take over the family business. Lucas was torn. He wanted to stay with Sophia, but he couldn't abandon his family. Sophia, understanding his dilemma, encouraged him to go. "Family is important," she said. "You need to be there for them. I'll wait for you." With a heavy heart, Lucas left the town, promising to return as soon as he could. Sophia continued her life, painting and caring for her grandmother, but her heart ached for Lucas. They wrote letters to each other, sharing their thoughts and feelings, but the distance between them felt insurmountable. Months turned into years. Lucas worked tirelessly to support his family, but his heart remained with Sophia. He often played the melodies he had composed for her, finding comfort in the memories of their time together. Sophia, too, held on to the hope that Lucas would return. Her paintings became filled with images of the sea and the stars, symbols of their love. One day, as Sophia was painting by the shore, she saw a familiar figure walking toward her. It was Lucas. He had finally returned. Overwhelmed with emotion, Sophia ran to him and they embraced. "I've missed you so much," Lucas said. "I've thought about you every day." Sophia smiled through her tears. "I've missed you too, Lucas. I never stopped believing you'd come back." Lucas explained that his father had recovered, and he had saved enough money to start a new life. "I want to build that life with you, Sophia," he said. "I don't want to wander anymore. I want to stay here, with you, by the sea." Sophia's heart soared with happiness. "I've always dreamed of a life with you, Lucas," she replied. With her grandmother's blessing, Sophia and Lucas married in a small ceremony on the beach, surrounded by friends and the sound of the waves. They built a home together, where Sophia painted and Lucas composed music. Their love became a source of inspiration for their art, and their bond grew stronger with each passing day. Years later, as they sat by the shore watching the sunset, Sophia and Lucas reflected on their journey. They had faced challenges and endured separation, but their love had carried them through. They knew that true love was not about perfection, but about finding someone who made the world feel like home. And so, Sophia and Lucas lived happily ever after, their love as enduring as the sea and as timeless as the stars. The end. If you enjoyed this story, please like, subscribe, and share. See you in the next video.